How to log into WordPress. In this video I'm going to show you two ways you can actually log into your WordPress website's backend and edit your website. So this is where the place you will be coming to. So what you want to do is go to your website's URL. For example, YouTube's URL is youtube.com. so what you want to do is type your URL here, and after the .com or the .net, whatever it will be, write /admin and then click enter, and then you'll be brought to this page right here, and you can enter your username and your password. Always click here and remember password so that you don't have to enter your details next time. So if you forgot your password, you can just click here. So you enter your email address. So when you created your website, they ask you to sign up for WordPress, so you enter that email address here and get password, and then after clicking on getting your password, you go to your email address and then reset it. Then the second way is you just type your website URL and then click /wp-admin and then click and click these details and remember password, then log in. So here you are now in the back end of your website, where you can make a page, you can edit with Elementor and do all other things. So if you want to make money online, subscribe to this channel. So this is the video that I want you to watch, so remember to subscribe if you want to make money online. If you ever made any money online, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a like.